One, two, three, ladies and gentlemen, it's time. Welcome to Daniel's social training, mentorship, and professional training, guys. We start slow, no rush, no pressure. Let me introduce myself. My name is Daniel and you're on the live stream. Probability over ego, my friends. We are not chasing movies, we are reading behavior. So, what's up, everyone? Welcome to the live stream. So, one, two, three, let's go. So, my friends, we are live in the market right now, trading binary option using the price section. So, this is not financial advice, firstly. This is real time uh, market trading session, guys. So, you'll see how I analyze the chart and making decisions. So, we trade calmly, no rush, no reverse trading, just structure and probabilities. We are trading with ODC, guys. What is ODC? This is over the counter, and this is not real forex, not real market, because here with ODC, over the counter means that the prices provided by liquidity providers, not an exchange. That's why it's quite different with forex markets, and I will explain everything. But price action is very clean here. And if we are talking about the strategies, the ODC gives you stable conditions where you can check and try any strategy you want. So, during our meetings, because it will be constantly every day, we'll have couple trading sessions together with you, whether one morning trading session and whether evening, or if there is no opportunity to do it at the morning, because I have a lot of deals with my group, with my VIP guys, which we are trading, which you can see at the link, which you can follow on my Telegram, and you see all by your own eyes. So, guys, uh, let's get it started. Let's get it started firstly, and of course, will speak about the most interesting things. Uh, it's a hot news, it's a fundamental deals, it's a technical analysis. I had 7 years of experience in this field, and you know what I want to tell, that I passed all the circles of hell, and right now I'm a certified trader, and I can trade with any strategy. Also, I would very like to trade with a fundamental trades. It's a couple of minutes, it's very high emotions, very big, because, and also you should know that the trading, it's psychology first of all, right? So 80% of psychology and only 20 is your skills. Let's get it started, and during this conversation, live trading session, guys, I want you to be a part and connect to this chat and message me, and we'll continue this. And I want to open some trades while you are here. Oh, my friend, I can see that Kama sign Rajput is here. Hello, my friends, how you doing? How's your day going? Tell me about yourself. Very glad to see you. Nice to meet you, my bro. Let's open the first trade, and what we are using today, we're using the strategy with the Bollinger Banks and the RSI, Relative Stretch Index. It's indicator oscillator was showing us uh, the overbought or oversold of the price, and the settings will be period 15. And also, if it's interesting for you about the settings for Bollinger Banks, just write it down and we'll speak about it. Okay, Let's start it first of all and open our first deal for the day. What we're using the time frame 5 minutes for our deals. So it's very interesting situation, and we are using 1% firstly from our deposit because right now we need to touch the water to see what is going on and what is the behavior and mood of the market, right, guys? After we'll see and I will show you how you can handle with risk and money management. Okay, so I want to start it on the first deal. We will open the deals different, quite different to using the different time of execution. So let's get it started and find our time frame, which where we will find the situation. It's a M5 time frame, 5 minute. Got CHF, nothing so interesting. Here, okay, it's uncertain pattern, nothing interesting. Okay, here we have upward trend, 1 minute for closing this candle. It's RSCHF. Let's see what is going on S15. We are on the flat zone, and right now, and the price just stuck it, and it's not good to trade in a flat, guys. Whether only from one border to one. This is interesting situation. We have upward trend right now. It's correction. So, but maybe it's broken. Oh, sure. Just a second, my friends. Give me a couple of seconds. I'll be back in a second. Okay, guys, thanks for waiting. Let's continue and try to find a situation where we can open a trade and speak about it. It's maybe yes. Let's see what is going on the youngest time frame. Maybe, but it's downward. It's not good to trade here right now because it's here. Maybe yes, but the price need to break this level. Okay, let's give it a try with another five. I'm offering 3 minutes. GBB, GBY in a buy for 3 minutes time of execution, first trade to touch the water, and we'll see. We see the upward trend, and after this, I will explain to you. This is M5. Right now, we are on the lower border of the flat. So give me a second. All right, guys. And also, we will speak about the most interesting things and the fundamental deals. Of course, you need to know what is about the news releases because I'm trading with a binary option. It's fundamental, but also we will speak about the commodity market, stock market, the crypto market, and forex, of course. That's why it will be very interesting meeting, my games. I'm offering you subscribe and you'll see. Okay, let's go on S15 where our lovely time frame which is providing us with emotions, right guys? And our first rule is trend is your friend. We are trying to trade with trend direction, right? So, and second rule, never rely on the result until the time of execution will finish. And additionally, we have couple of entrants in a one deal, not more. This is our third deal. Not more than three entries in one S. 40 seconds, my friends. 1 hour. Oh, okay, maybe we are right now a little correction. We'll see. We'll see. Okay, we'll see it quite enough. Oh, my friends, counting together bangs and first deal in a pocket. That's good. That's good and that's great. And we can count win. Our first deal in a plus. Okay, that's good. Market said yes, and it's okay. Continue, my friends. Let's find an interesting situation on M5, of course. Never rely on the youngest time frame. It's not a good decision, my friends. Yes, of course. Right now, I want to go in correction, but my friends, here using Odyssey, it could just be back because we have upward trend, and it's very important here is trade using the trend direction. Right here, we can see that we are in a flat, but anyway, it's not good. It's also flat. Or GPY flat. Also, the price is just stuck in this. Let's see what is M1. 3 minutes. Let's give it a try in a sell. For 3 minutes, area GPY ODC. What we see? We see the downward trend on this time frame. Only if we will be back on M5, we'll see right now that it's a upward trend. And if we'll go all the time frame, we see that upward trend. But we have this one. It's not good. But right now, maybe we will catch a bird, which called correction, because yes, the price is stuck at in here, and where will be the price? We'll see. Let's take a trend line, and we'll see where we right now. It's not so workable like on forex market, but anyway, for your vision, we could see that right now we're a little bit down and downward. 1 minute and 15 seconds more we have. Everything could change, my friends, in a seconds. That's why I will never rely on the result. Oh, why Silent Camel, oh my friends, I want you to be a part. This is live trading session. We can speak, we can share and pass this time together. Tell me more about yourself. 20 seconds, guys, to go. And what I want to tell that it will be very difficult for the price to break our rules right now. That's why this deal in our pocket 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And second deal, my friends, in our pocket. That's good. That's great. Market said yes. And second deal with second asset different. We can set +1. All right. That's good. If you are trading with me, I need to know about it. So let's continue, my friends. It's good. Oh, very interesting. And 5, okay, let's give it a try with this asset, with dirham. And don't forget that we have only couple of entrants. Okay, my friends, tell me about yourself. Are you trading with Forex with using the news releases? What about non-farm? Do you know what is this? Are you trading with this? Or tell me, how are you doing? How are you doing in this field? It's very interesting for me. Okay, let's go on S15, our lovely time frame, which providing us with emotions. So we have a couple of minutes more, and let's see what this market is going to give us. Price wanna go up, but my friends, why are you so silent? Come on, message, chat me. Hi, how you doing? Why are you just looking? It's good to look, of course. But anyway. I'm offering you to be a part of this evening. Alright, 1 minute to go. And if this deal will be not successful, we have only couple of new choices. And we need to increase for our next entrance. Thirty seconds. Nine, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And open one more deal with increasing level because we have additional couple of entrants, and the rule for one deal, not more than 2 entrants. if our idea is not workable, we don't need to increase the until the end. You see the price just stuck in our entry points near because we could see that this is flat and the price need to make a decision. What's the direction? We see yes, this level. The price need to break it. If the price break this level, it will go down. If not, of course it will go up until this. All right, we have 1 minute more. Oh, if we have, my friends, let's see. If we have some kind of these candles, it means that in a couple of seconds we'll have uh, impulse. But what is the sign? Up or down? The main question, right? So, 3, 2, 1, and get it. All right, that's good. We covered everything, and right now we're in pluses. That's why we just could set free, right, guys? So, that's good, that's great. Our idea is workable. So, let's continue, my friends. Very interesting situation, Australian Canadian also. This is bottom. Let's go back on 1% and give it a try with a buy for 3 minutes time of execution in a buy. Why so? Because we are on the lower border of the. You see, my friends, this and this. This is flat zone where the price like to be. Anyway, we have a downward trend, right? But here the price is stuck in a flat and right now it needs to make a decision. So we can see the clear picture. The all the time frame you see the clear picture you can see. Let's see H1 first. You see we have downward trend and right now we are near the lower border, but anyway the price make a decision. 1 minute, 30 seconds to go. Hello, my friend. Hi, hi. Linux Free 4. How are you, my friend? Hi, bro. Nice to meet you. How you doing this day? How's your trading? Nice to meet you. Tell me more about yourself. So, you see, my friends, the price a little bit not near our entry point. We have 1 minute more, but anyway, you should know that if the price will not be with us, we have couple of additional chances. But for the next trade, we have to increase because. But anyway, we'll see. Because I've told you that never rely on the result until the time of execution will finish. My friend, are you trading? Tell me. All right, we have 7 seconds. Oh, we see. I think the price is not. All right, that's why we open again the trade, but with additional increasing level and increasing amount for 2 times because we need to cover the previous, right? And have some additional pluses. Hello, my friend, Vanishal. Oh, Gauri. Sorry for my English, my friends. How are you, my friends? How are you doing? Are you traders? Tell me. My name is Daniel. Nice to meet you. I'm experienced trader. I certified trader. Experienced 7 years. I passed all the circles of hell. I'm trading with a binary option, with the forex market, commodities, stocks. Crypto is not good, not so good. Originally, my friend, I'm from Armenia, but right now I'm in London. What about you, my friends? Ah, you see, nice to meet you, brother from another mother. That's good. I like you, my friend. I like. Very nice. From India. Very good, my friend. Very good. Nice to meet you. Tell me, are you a trader or just looking, just interesting in this field? Are you trading only with binary option or I'm trading with everything, with all time frames, with the scalping, with news releases also. Yes, of course. Right now, I'm just opening the live trading session. It will be constantly, and when we'll have our community. First of all, my friend, I need you, my friends. It's not so difficult if you will subscribe on my YouTube and put a finger up, right? And in a channel description, you could find a link to the Telegram. There is my group. And uh, go there in the channel description. You could see the a link to the Telegram. Just follow it and you'll see everything by your eyes, how we're trading, about the profit and about all the statistics. Oh, you are trading with bets, my friend. You like casino, right? Oh, that's good, my friends. Okay, we're in pluses. We covered everything, and we're in pluses, so that's good. We can put a finger up, and also, like I want from you, put a finger up, and couple of likes will be very nice from your side. It's not difficult for you, but it's very, you know, very cool for me. So, my friends, let's continue. Let's continue. And we could decrease for 1% because we covered everything. We don't need to push the horses, right? So, let's continue and find something interesting. Also, we'll be back on M5. And what we could see, Australian CHF, yes, quite interesting, but this is for forex market. I also want to open trade right now in a sell because it's correction right now. But anyway, OTC is not working like that. Just if you will remember one thing, it means that the trend direction is the main tools for you. Trading using the trend direction, that's all. And you will be much more successful. Just check it, my friends. Okay, Katsiche will be a little bit late. All right. CHF okay, flat. CHF knock. Maybe, but maybe it will reverse. Let's go on S15 and we'll see. Yes, it's quite flat. Let's give it a try for sell with CHF knock. Why so? Because we are on the upper border of the flat. We see that we have downward trend, right? From here. But also we have intersection of the couple of moving average, 50 to 100. We have upper border and lower border of the price just right now. It calling flat zone and also it's resistance zone, it's support zone. So we could try to trade from the lower border to the upper border and again and the opposite. Okay, we'll see. We open a trade. What we'll have. Let's go on S15. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. CHF knock, make it an opposite. But okay, no problem. We know about that. That's why next trade, if this will not be successful, we need to. We have couple of additional trade entrance for one asset, right? Not more. Thanks, my bro, and God bless you the same, my bro. Thank you. I'm sharing with you my what for what I've paid a lot of money and nervous and just years of my life, but I like it. I like it so much that it's my constant, it's not my hobby, it's my life. Okay, we could see 50 second. All right, 30 seconds to go. We have double up. Okay, and some kind of triangle. So, okay, we have 20 seconds. 20 seconds, guys. And where the price will be during this time. Okay, let's do it together, right? Counting 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and get it. Get it, my friends. We did it. That's good. Um, we can put a win. Right now, we have a lot of profit. That's good. What about you, my friends? Did you open trade with me? If yes, tell me about yourself, about it. I need to know about. So that's good. Let's continue. Let's continue, my friends. We covered everything, and right now we don't need to force. But anyway, we'll have our streams where we will try a lot of different strategies and assets. And we will try it with the Forex using the news also 100%, my friends. Let's go back for M5. Good situation, but it's also good situation for a flat. And in most common cases, it will be in this because M1 is a little bit overbought. Not good. Again, wanna M5, 1 minute to go. 3 minutes, one and a half. Okay, let's give it a try. Australian Canadian Odyssey in a buy in for 3 minutes. Time of execution. My friends, I want you chatted message. Where are you, my friend? Also, I want to know your name. How can I address to you, my friend? Well, right now our account is C. Right, that's good. Okay, the price wanna stock we are preparing. If not, we know what to do, right? We have because we are not relying on just a luck. We are relying on the strategy, which showing us the constant profit. That's why we need to change it or to do something else, right? 1.5 minute, my friends. Let's go on S50. Much more interesting. All right, we have 1 minute more, and the price a little bit lower, but okay, no problem. We are preparing for the next deal couple of percents because if this trade will not be successful, we have additional couple of entrants. Flat on the time frame as 15 is quite interesting. Okay, 7 seconds, and I think not this trade. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, no problem. And we are opening trade again with a additional increased amount. This is how you can handle with risk and money management. Again, okay, we have because for one deal, don't forget we have 3 attempts. Couple of minutes more, my friends. While we are waiting, tell me more about yourself. 'Alright, my friends, we have 1 minute more. And what is the price is going to give us? 40 seconds. And the price wanna go down. You see? If it will break this level, it will be not so good for us. But anyway, we have 20 seconds to go. Get it, my friends? Okay, got it. And we've covered everything like hook handle was risk manager because for this trade we've put couple of percent, right? That's why we can put a +1. That's good, that's great. If you are trained with me, congratulations. Continue, my friends. We are going back for M5 and trying to find. Alright, okay, CTF, nothing interesting. Also, flat. You see, the evening training today is a little bit not so cool. Like, little flat everywhere. Interesting situation, but anyway, we need to go back for 1%. Interesting, but not good. Not good. We need M5 first of all. And don't forget that the payout should be not less than 80%. Okay, Australian Canadian in a buy for 3 minutes. Let's see what the market is going to give us for this deal. I will tell you why so after this trade will finish. All right. You see, it's reached moving average 200 and could not break it. And maybe it will try the second time. Couple of minutes more, okay. We could use not the trend lines, we could use here the zones. The support zone and the resistance zone. But don't forget this is S15. 1 minute to go. Thirty seconds, my friends. You see that the price reached again the resistance level, wanna break it. If it will break it, it will go up. Because right now it's break the moving average 200. Okay, let's count in together. Five, four, three, two. Get it, my friends? Okay, you see that everything is good. Congratulate you who is trading with me. And we could put a finger up where without losses, that's good. We have only profit and that's very nice. What about you, my friends? So let's continue. All right. I want to give it a try with a dirham, with a Chinese, buy because we could see the upward trend, but right now we're in correction, understood, and maybe it's a deep. Uh, if we will use this strategy on financial markets, as forex market, you could use a Fibonacci retracement. It's not good here, but anyway, you could see maybe the important zone and why the price is stuck. Okay, in this case, we could take a horizontal line, right, and put it on this zone and this. We need to break first at this level. Okay, let's go on S15 and we'll see what is going on. 1 minute, 30 seconds to go. What about you, my friends? Why are you keeping silence? It's just thought that everything is alive. This is live trading session. Don't forget about it. 50 seconds, guys. If this trade will not be successful, we're preparing our first entrance additional. 20 seconds to go. Come on, babe. Wake up. This is your wake up call. Okay, I see. It's not so good. And big wish. All right. Okay, we are preparing our second deal and get it. We open and trade. What platform do you use to analyze and draw the charts? Basically, I'm using the MetaTrader 5 for this. Also, I'm using the Trading View. Very nice, very good, but basically, I like MetaTrader 5 to analyze the charts. What about you, my friend? Voice of Single Man. How are you? How are you, my friend? Tell me about yourself. You're a professional trader. Are you just looking for it? Okay, my friends, remind you, it's CNY, and this is our first entrance, second entrance. We have not more than two more entrances, right, guys? That's how we can handle with risk and money management to be profitable all the time. One and a half minutes. And the price we see here, of course, but this is M15, which is it's not a time frame which you can rely on analyze the charts now. You can just follow the trend, not more. If you want to see the clear picture, the all the time frame you will take for your vision and your disassembling of the asset, the more you want. Okay, we have 50 seconds to go, and the price is like. And for next deal, if this we have a last one, right? Last intersection, we need to increase more. Okay, let's see what is going on. Why so? Why so? What is changing the direction? Okay, okay. I see, I see. We could take a trend line, guys. Okay, right now it's time. I want to increase for 5 minutes. We increased everything, and right now we have our entrance for 5 minutes. Lower lows. Okay, we have a little bit space, but this is our last attempt for this asset. If not, we are bringing back and put a losses here. S50. We have very good entry point, but anyway, if it downward impulses right now, we couldn't do nothing. But anyway, we should know how to handle with risk and money management. It's very important, the most important things in this field. Yes, we could see that the price just wanna go a little bit down, but anyway, on the oldest time frame, we could see that We are on the lower border, and maybe right now it will be a little bit correction, and for us it will be quite enough to cover everything and to put a pluses here. Okay, we'll see what is the market going to give us. My friends, tell me about you. My friend, voice of the single. What kind of platform do you use? Tell me. What assets do you like to trade? What markets? Okay, 1.5 minute, 2.5, sorry. Not good. From here, it could go down because we could see that it's downward, right? If the local trade will not change, we could see it if we will use the trend line. Not good picture, okay, but anyway, I'm hoping that from this point, mm, the chart will change and its position, and we have 1.5 minute more for it. Oh, 1.5. If we'll put it this trade set for 3 minutes, we will have success. Okay. 1 minute, my friends. There is no volatility. You know, the chart is like a squiddy from 40 seconds. Plus and minus, plus and minus. What we will have finally. Guys. Alright. See, my friends, couple seconds. Last second, the price tried to go. 20 seconds. Okay, where the price will be? 12 second. Okay, you see. Okay, let's count in together. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Oh no. Okay, this time we could plus the first losses because we could not break our rules, right, guys? So let's move on and open the last deal for this day, for this evening, and it's very nice to spend it with you. So last trade for this evening. Let's open it and see what else we have. And also offering increase a little bit. Let's go M5. Very good situation. I want to give it a try with Bangladesh in a buy for 3 minutes. And what is the market going to give us? Our emotional time frame. It's very interesting. It could be like a double dip, and additionally, it could be the breakout change. Right now, it's like a confirmation for double dip, but it's only S15. You should know that this is not time frame which you could rely. Follows a trend, yes, but rely and analyze the charts, no. And the price the near again, again, and again. All right. 1 minute to go. To go. 1 minute, 1 minute. And the price tried anyway, tried to break this level and to go up. But finally, where will be the price when the time of execution will finish? This is the main and important thing for us, right, guys? And 40 seconds to go. Price wanna make a decision, and from this point, it wanna break our rules. But it's not so easy, bro. And let's count in together. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Batch it. Get it. Okay, my friends. We're in grade plus, and that's good. Let's put a dot in this field. Okay, we have 8 pluses and 1 minus during this conversation, during this live trading session, guys. Thank you very much for this time, for your attention, your appreciation. I'm just asking you if it's not difficult for you, like I know, the subscribe on my YouTube, put the finger up, and you could find in the channel description the link which you can follow, and you will be the Telegram group. Just follow it, and you will see everything by your eyes, everything from the heart, bottom of the heart, my friends. That's why. Thank you very much. It was Daniel with you, and every day we'll meet each other. So, thank you and goodbye.